You're gonna love the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.